Good morning, children. In today's geography class, I just want to give you a small practice on map pointing, children. Map pointing plays an important role because a person who reads the textbook and studies the map pointing only can able to point out the things in apt. Sometimes the bits also can be asked from the map pointing. That's why we try to focus on map pointing, children. It's not so difficult. Daily if you practice one map pointing, it will be easy for you. Okay? So let's do it from now. So children, I am starting the chapter India size and location. In the India size and location, you will be having two map pointings. One is states and capitals, and the other one is the latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent. Children, these two you need to practice on different map pointings. Okay. So first of all, any map pointing you practice, it should be on the India political map, children, because in the board exams also, even in the 9th and 10th classes, they'll be giving you only India political, not at all outline. So whatever map you practice, that you practice on the India political map only. Okay, here you can see the states of the India. Okay, you can see the states and state capitals. Okay, state capitals are not given, but states are given. You need to find out the state capitals. Okay, and there are union territories also, children, that also you need to point out. So in this map pointing, it is given very clearly that India states and capitals. Okay, children, so this is most important to practice because 1 mark questions will be asked. For example, write down the states, name of the states where the tropic of Cancer is passing through. You need to write the states. First you need to know through which states the tropic of Cancer is passing through. So that's why you need to see the map pointing. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 states it's passing through, children. Those 7 states names also you need to remember. Okay, like that they'll ask you what is the easternmost state of India. They'll ask you easternmost state of India is what? Arunachal Pradesh. What's that, children? Arunachal Pradesh. They'll ask you what's the westernmost state of India in 1 mark. It is Gujarat. What is the southernmost state of India? The southernmost states we have 2, children, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So this they'll not ask because 2 are there, that's why. Okay, children. Likewise, northernmost states, as you all know, that Jammu and Kashmir. In that way, they'll be asking. One more question I'll tell you. In 1 mark, once they have asked in the board exams that name the states where the 3 sides are covered with Bangladesh and 1 side with India. If you see here, this is the Bangladesh, no? So this is West Bengal. West Bengal is here, see. Till here it is. Till here. See, you can see the border line, no? Till here it is. But it is not. West Bengal is not the answer. What is the answer? Meghalaya, only one side it is having Bangladesh. So Meghalaya also not. Mizoram, no. Only Tripura. See here, top, north, west and south. All the 3 sides are covered with Bangladesh. Only one side, India. So Tripura is the answer. That's why you have to observe the map pointing very keenly. Do you understand, children? So the international boundary line is given, a state boundary line, with that you can understand the state boundaries also. Fine, children. In our textbook it is not given, but I am going to give you this one for states and capitals. Okay, so you need to point out the tropic of Cancer also in this, children. And the next they are going to ask you, see here, one of the map pointing is as locate and label the India states and capitals on the outline map of India. So in first, this is the map which I am going to give you homework for today. And for tomorrow it is Sunday, no? You need to practice this map pointing. This is what? Latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. So that I'll show you in our textbook, children. So this is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. So India is extending from 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. And it is between 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. So these two you practice, and you need to know the distance also. So here 3214 kilometers from north to south and 2933 kilometers from east to west. Okay, and this is what standard meridian of India. As you all know that India is having 30 longitude, so 30 different times. So it leads to confusion, no? So we have adopted this standard time. This is exactly passing through Kakinada. So Kakinada time, local time only, standard time. So the standard time of India is how much? 82.5 degrees east longitude. So this also you have to practice, children. You have to draw it on the map pointing. So this on one map pointing, that on one map pointing. What? India states and capitals. So this is your homework, children, for today and tomorrow. So please do them on the separate map pointings, that on India political only, and practice. Okay. So you need to by heart the states and the capitals also, where they are there also. Understand neatly, nicely colored, nicely, write down your name, your class, section number, and keep it in a file. That activity you will be getting marks. Do you understand, children? Whenever I'll come to school, no, then I'll check and I'll give you marks on for every chapter. You got the point? I think so, children. So once again, you see this map pointing. See, they'll be asking like this: Tropic of Cancer. So which latitude to which latitude? So it is there like that. You have to show. Stand meridian of India with degrees. Union territories: Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Chhattisgarh, Chandigarh, and Daman and Diu. So sometimes they may ask this union territories also. That's why every nook and corner you have to prepare. I hope you understood, children. So once again you see this. I'm going to give you the pic also in the video. Okay. Thank you, children. That's all for today. Bye.